This is a brand new 2015 Toyota Tacoma. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 4.0-liter V6. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, voice recognition, speed-sensitive volume controls, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: the Toyota N-Tune infotainment system, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, cruise control, a CD player, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, and alloy wheels. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Don McGill Toyota of Houston is located at 11800 the Katy Freeway, Interstate 10 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.